Okay, anyone that knows me knows that I'm all about a healthy routine, but for many people, oral health is way down on the list of priorities when it comes to health, especially during the pandemic. Joining me today are doctors Vanessa and Lisa Creaven, sisters and practicing cosmetic dentists who have founded Spotlight Oral Health Care, and they're here to offer some advice on better oral health. Now, first of all, why have so many people put oral health on the back burner during the pandemic?
I think that oral health care in general is one of the easiest things to put on the back burner. I think, not a lot of people like going to the dentist, although we understand that it's necessary. It's one of the easiest things to put on the long finger. I think that COVID really impacted healthcare, obviously, in general. A lot of dental offices were closed, a lot of reduced services. And so really, it was down to emergency treatment a lot of the time throughout that period. Thankfully, a lot of the offices are back to normal. Our patients are returning in their droves. And really what's encouraging to see is that patients are really excited about returning to the offices, because I think we have a newfound respect and appreciation for proactive healthcare. We see the link and the impacts that good oral health can play in our overall health. And really we're appreciating our health a lot more. We're engaging in proactive, preventative health treatments, including oral health. And that's a really, really positive sign, because what that means is that, our patients are engaging in preventative oral care in terms of education and awareness and making better choices, which lead to long-term better success when it comes to oral health.
I'm wondering this, why is your oral health routine at home as important as your routine visits to the dentist?
That's a great question, and something we get asked quite a lot as dentists. And often we'll explain to our customers or our patients that we'll say, look, when you come to the dentist, we can only be reactionary to whatever's happening in the mouth, be it cavities, gum disease, or infection. But at home, you're able to build an oral care regime that can be significant in the long term. So what toothpaste you're using, ensuring that you're using clinically proven active ingredients in your toothpaste is really, really important. But along with that, what appliances you're using to clean your teeth. Sonic technology in the form of a sonic toothbrush and water flossing have been game changers when it comes to maintenance and improving oral health long term. And then other things like lunchtime routines are really, really important to reinforce those active ingredients that really stop decay, gum disease, cavities, and ensure amazing long-term oral health.
And is it true that bad oral health care can affect the rest of our overall health?
Sure. And that link is actually very well established. So there's a really strong link between oral health and heart health. Also a very strong link between blood sugar control and heart health. And a lot of times for our pregnant ladies, we recommend and discuss the importance of good oral health while you're pregnant for both yourself and for the baby. So really your mouth it can be one of the biggest sources of inflammation and infection. So you really want to do everything you can using your active ingredients that are targeting your own individual needs at home. And what that's going to do is it's going to drive down inflammation. It's going to promote good bacteria, a good healthy microbiome, and that positively will impact the rest of your oral health and actually the rest of your overall health. So there's really strong links between, heart health and oral care. And if you can have a really good level of oral hygiene, that can actually help to protect you against any heart issues long term.
Okay, and you've shared so much important information here. Where can our viewers go to learn more?
Sure. So we're available on our website, spotlightoralcare.com. And also we're quite active on our social media channels on Instagram and Facebook, where you can check in even with one of our advisors. If you have any concerns or questions about your own oral health, we are here to help and discuss and promote oral health wherever we go.